Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram photos on your phone, right? So let's go into the Instagram. Okay, and I will select a photo here, right? So let me just select a photo. Okay, so let's take this one. Okay, yeah, let's take a normal photo and I want to download it, right? So you can just download it. On the top right side corner, you will see a three icon right here. Just click over there and here you will find an option which is called a share link, right? So here if you will see, you will not see any option. See where to share your link. So just click on this, right? And after once you click on there, you will get a lot of options. So just go to the copy link, right? So ultimately you have to copy the link, and once the link is copied, now just go to your browser. Okay, and let's say it's your Google browser or it's anything, just go to google.com, right? And once you are into the google.com, here write download Insta photos, right? And by the way, if you want to download Instagram videos or reels or whatever, you can just download it. Just go here and you can just paste it, right? Once you paste it, right, just click on the download, and after a few seconds it will show you an option. Here you can see that in which quality you want to download. So I want to download it in the best quality and click on download image, right? And here, okay, now here it will get download, right? Now I will go to the download section here, and you can see the photos are downloaded, right? So it's pretty easy to download a photo over your Instagram. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video really well, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.